Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Hello Children. In this video, we will study direct speech and indirect speech. The first one is direct speech. In this case, two persons speak directly to each other face to face. For example, Mother, Radhika, go and bring some vegetables from the market. Or Mother said to Radhika, go and bring some vegetables from the market. Some things to note here. The first one is in the dialogue form, inverted commas are essential, but in the ordinary form, no inverted commas are used. Second one is different kinds of sentences follow different rules while changing direct speech into indirect speech. Third one is indirect speech is also called reported speech. Indirect speech or reported speech. In this case, a third person describes what the other two persons were talking face to face. The inverted commas are dropped in indirect speech. The following table is helpful to the students to have an idea of the changes that occur while changing direct speech into indirect speech. Simple present in the direct speech will change to simple past tense. Simple past will change to past perfect. Present continuous will change past continuous. Present perfect will change past perfect. Present perfect continuous will change to past perfect continuous. I will change he or she. We changes to they. You will change she, he, or they. My will change his or her. Our will change their. Your will change his, her, or their. Me will change him or her. Now will change then. Here will change there. This will change that. These will change those. Ago will change before. Thus will change so. Today will change that day. Tomorrow will change the next day or the following day. Yesterday will change the day before or the previous day. Last night will change the night before. Next week or next year will change the following week or year. Last week or last year will change the previous week or the previous year. Type 1 is assertive sentences. The reporting verb is said or told and the conjunction is that. For example, the teacher said to Anil, I saw your father in the market yesterday. In the reported speech, the teacher said to Anil that he or she had seen his father in the market the day before. Example 2 is the postman said to Mr. John, tomorrow I will bring a parcel for you. In the reported speech, the postman told Mr. John that he would bring a parcel for him the following day. Type 2 is imperative sentences. These are orders, instructions, bits of advice, etc. The reporting verb is said or told, asked or ordered. The conjunction that is replaced by to. The given sentence in the inverted commas is repeated as such with slight changes in adverbs, pronouns, etc. The teacher said to the students, finish your work and go home. In the reported speech, the teacher said to the students to finish their work and go home. See the second example. The judge said to the witness, tell me the truth. In the reported speech, the judge asked the witness to tell him the truth. Type 3 exclamatory sentences. These sentences show surprise, excitement, sorrow, or happiness. The reporting verb is exclaimed and the conjunction is that. No exclamatory mark is to be used. Note the exclamatory sentence is converted to a simple statement. See, for example, the boy said, "Alas, my grandmother is no more." In the reported speech, the boy exclaimed sadly that his grandmother was no more. See the second example, mother said to her daughter, "What a fine film it is." In the reported speech, mother exclaimed to her daughter that it was a very fine film. Type 4 questions. There are two types of questions, WH type and yes or no type. WH type questions always seek informations. The reporting verbs are asked, wanted to know, inquired, etc. and the conjunction in the given WH word itself, what, which, why, where, when, how, etc. No question mark is used in the answer. There is an interchange of subject and verb. There is one note there. What are you doing? What he was doing. See the interchange of subject and the verb in this. See the examples. The mother said, "Anil, why are you sitting idle now?" In the reported speech, the mother asked Anil why he was sitting idle then. See the second example. The principal said to the peon, "What are you doing in my office now?" In the reported speech, the principal wanted to know what his peon was doing in his office then. Now, yes or no questions. In these questions, answer would be always yes or no. The reporting verbs are asked, wanted to know, inquired, etc. and the conjunction is if or whether. Here also there is an interchange of subject and verb. See the examples. The teacher said to the students, "Have you paid your fees?" In the reported speech, the teacher wanted to know if the students had paid his fees. See the second example. Mother said to Anita, "Did you take your medicine?" In the reported speech, mother wanted to know whether Anita had taken her medicine, or mother asked Anita if she had taken her medicine. There is a note there. To should not be used after told, asked, requested, etc. But to is to be used after said. For example, the teacher said to the child. The teacher told the child. The principal asked the teacher. The principal said to the peon, "I requested my father." Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.